Hi everybody, this is Corie from the Wellness Way in Fort Mill, and I am here again at our local Aldi. I want to just share with you just some of the amazing things you can get. Again, we're just talking about how to eat healthy on a budget. Maybe you have a big family, you think you can't afford to have healthy food or switch to organic, but you really just want to start bringing those things in to your pantry, but you kind of feel overwhelmed. You look at the prices at Harris Teeter and go, there's no way I can do this. Well, the good news is you can do it, and one way to try this is to start shopping at your local Aldi. I want to draw your attention over here to organic spices in the baking aisle. And if you look at these prices, $1.99 for organic cinnamon, I mean, I don't even think you can get regular cinnamon for $1.99 at Harris Teeter, and you're going to be looking at maybe $5 for these. But these are amazing, and they're just right here in the baking aisle at Aldi, just next to the regular spices. You wouldn't expect it, but here they are. And another thing that I think is pretty amazing is this awesome avocado oil. Now, avocado oil can run you $13, $14 at Harris Teeter and other places. Maybe you think you have to buy it at a specialty store. You don't. You can get it here at Aldi for $6.99. This is amazing oil if you've never tried it. It doesn't have a strong flavor. If you want to use it in salads, it's really, really great way to get healthy fats into your diet. And if you want to just stick with the traditional olive oil, they have organic extra virgin olive oil here. This is certified, it's good stuff, and it's really, really affordable. It's really affordable. Another thing that's one of my favorite things to get at Aldi is hemp seeds, and these are raw shelled hemp seeds. I add them to smoothies. You guys, these have 10 grams of protein per serving. I mean, these are great. You throw this into your smoothie with, you know, whatever fruit you want to have, and it's awesome. It's an awesome way to get some really, and another thing, there's 80% of your daily value of magnesium in these. This is a powerful superfood here. Pick it up at Aldi. It's in the baking aisle where you would think there's nothing but cake mixes. You know, you have to walk past some stuff you don't want to touch, but then all of a sudden you run into this superfood, and it's really affordable. So I just wanted to share with you my excitement about what happens when I come shopping at Aldi and how I manage to feed my rather large, hungry family with a really great budget, and don't break the bank buying them organic superfoods. Thanks, guys. Have a lovely day.